In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Chrome language to English. If your Chrome browser is currently displaying menus and settings in another language, don't worry. This is a quick adjustment, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look for the three-dot menu, usually located in the top right corner of the browser window. Tap or click those three dots to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Chrome stores most of its customization options, including language preferences. After you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Languages section. Depending on your version of Chrome or your device, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Tap Languages to open the language settings. This section controls how Chrome displays its interface and in some cases how web content is handled. Inside the Languages menu, look for the area labeled Chrome's language. Under that heading, tap the current language that Chrome is using. If the browser is already set to a language you don't understand, try to focus on the position of the option rather than the text itself. The layout is usually consistent, which can help you navigate even if the wording is unfamiliar. Next, select English from the list of available languages. Take a moment to choose the version of English you prefer if more than one option appears, such as English for different regions. If you don't see English in the list yet, tap Add Language first, then search for English and add it. After it has been added, go ahead and select it as Chrome's language. Once English is selected, the last thing you need to do is tap Restart or Relaunch to apply the change. This is important because Chrome usually needs to reopen before the new language takes effect across the browser interface. After it restarts, the menus, settings, and other Chrome elements should now appear in English. If the change doesn't show up right away, give Chrome a moment to fully reopen, or try closing and reopening it again. In most cases, though, the restart step completes everything, and that's it. You've successfully changed Chrome's language to English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.